This is Ian Guilford at Cars. This is the SD V6 HSE, the Discovery 4, of course, from Land Rover. It comes with a nice plate on there, A6YYA. That will be sold with the vehicle, as it came with the vehicle. Rubber mats in the back there. We can see the 12-volt connection there, and obviously the third row of seats underneath there for the 7 seats in total. The only extras that I can pick out on the car, obviously the windows have been tinted out, and there's a few more up front that I can show you. Just looking around the car, looks very good condition. The bits that maybe not so good, I'm going to tag on the end of this, so bear with me and I will get to those, because the car is 2011, late 2011, I think it's December, so it's very much a very good condition car and low mileage for 97,000 miles, which, if you've been looking for one of these, you'll know that a lot of them at this age are up in the 150s, 160s, and very rarely a very nice mileage like we've got here. Okay, so just moving on to the outside of the car, we can see that she's in a ascot green metallic Skitterflex paint. It does give you the impression from different angles whether she's kind of a nice green, that Land Rover green that we all know and love, or she's actually a gunmetal grey, or in fact some of the time you can get it with the sun on it, and you can see she might look black. And obviously with the nice contrasting almond leather, this is an upgrade. It really does finish the car off very, very nicely. Inside we can see we've got 3 sunroofs in there, and we can also see we've got the back seats, which really to me don't look as if they've been sat in since the car's been new, so that's all good news. Moving into the front of the car, you can see that we have a Harman Kardon stereo speaker, which is 7 Logic. And moving into the front again, we can see again passenger side has had a clean, and she's came up really, really well, of course, with the electric seats on there as well. She's looking very nice, and the rubber mats. So just give you a look at the side of the car here, we can see it looks very nice. And then from the front we can see that distinctive Discovery look again, looking very good, very tidy. So into the front of the car, we can see obviously we have the electric windows, memory seats, so each time you get in the car you can just simply press your button and you're away, you're back to where you came from, personalised to each individual driver, of course. And looking back into the car, looking around and into the front, we can see all the major, all the controls that we have for the car. Just to run through them all for you if you're unfamiliar with these, this is the 8-speed box. I think it was introduced in 2011, and automatic handbrake, so that's again, you've got hill descent control, you can raise the suspension up and down, and also you've got the high and low diff box, and also you've got the various different modes for different surfaces, so you shouldn't ever get stuck in the Discovery. Automatic climate condition in there, heated front screen, heated rear screen, heated leather seats, and all your other pieces are up here. You've got the stereo, which we need to turn on first.